Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing Ethereum starting on the weekly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the weekly time frame, even though this is in the territory of a wave 1, which is not supposed to happen, according to Elliott Wave rules, which from my 14 years of trading with Elliott Wave, I do find that the market doesn't really give a crap about Elliott Wave rules, and looking at correlated pairs like Bitcoin definitely looks like this is a wave 4, so I think that this is likely a wave 4, even though it is technically breaking Elliott Wave rules. I think that eventually it's going to make its way up for a wave 5, which should at least take out the high of wave 3, possibly even taking out these previous highs, making new all-time highs. So going down to the daily time frame, definitely looks like a traditional ABC correction. It looks like the correction possibly is over. Like I've been saying, I think this is likely a 1, a 2, and I still think there's a very good chance that eventually it's going to go up and make that wave 3, that wave 4, and that wave 5, which should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5 on the weekly and possibly monthly time frame. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I still think this looks like a trend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1. I still think this is possibly the end of a correction, wave 2. I think that we might have like a leading diagonal type situation, and I still think that this is going to eventually keep on making those higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3. So I would keep an eye on my Fibonacci retracement levels very closely for a possible end of a correction, and another possible entry to go long for the continuation of this wave 3. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I would be watching these fib levels closely. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is why I have my fib from here to here and not from here to there. Because this right here is the trend, which I think is a 1. I think this is a downtrend also, probably a wave A. This definitely looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up, like a wave B. That means that this move down is likely a wave C. We already got a little bit of a fib bounce, so all we really need to see is like a higher low or a break of structure to the upside, and that should help prove that this really is the end of a correction, end of a wave 2, and beginning of an uptrend, probably a wave 3. Which, like I said, should all be subdivisions of the bigger wave 5 on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.